Hey guys, Jake Crowd. Chris Collard here with Sergio at CFR Performance at the 2024 SEMA Show. And Sergio, I'm noticing this really super cool CJ behind us, but I'm also noticing some things that aren't necessarily stock. So tell us about the base vehicle.
The base vehicle starts off with the 1953 chassis.
Yeah.
Our body is actually 1959. We found that out by running the VIN numbers, two different codes. So we ended up having the idea to make it into a desert cat. Everyone is doing rock crawlers, everyone's doing other builds, but we never seen a car purposely built for the desert. Also, we try to keep it as stock as possible. So as everything you see here is pretty much stock seats when it came for 1953, everything stock, axles, everything. The way we went about it is because keep everything low cost and simple. Simple works and low cost works too. So that's.
So can you tell us about like the drivetrain down below? You said we got stock axles down
the
here.
rear is actually a stock Dana 27. It has real drive shafts, back and front, and the front axle is actually a Dana 20. So we're still retaining that stock look and performance.
And so, how about this? Like a brand new aftermarket tank?
That's an aftermarket tank that is specifically made for a CJ7, but we actually made it work with this small frame. It has the ability to run E85, and also it has like a double style tank.
And looking under here,
our body mounts to accommodate the supercharger.
Wait a minute, supercharger. We got to move around here to the front, guys. So that is another thing I saw that was not quite stock. So
it was stock in 1953. No, I'm playing.
Right. So tell us about that.
It's actually a 5.7 from a 2012 Grand Cherokee. We sourced it out of Facebook Marketplace. Supercharger as well was sourced out of Facebook Marketplace. So we make adapters ourselves to make everything work. So when we made everything work, it was actually our first project for this four-wheel drive setup.
So intake, how about the radiator?
A radiator, we also manufacture ourselves, catch can, oil catch can. We also do the air intake, valve covers. Our kit consists of
so you do
block out place
valve covers as well, huh?
Yeah, we do that. Wow. Our valve covers offer the fill tube on this side and also on this side. So you can have both style on both sides. Also, we have the option of running a breather on this side and this side too. So you have many options to do it. We also do fans and everything. So we try to keep everything.
Optima Batteries back here?
Oh yeah, to power our lights, our winch. Thanks to Rugged Ridge, they sponsored us. Hella Lights, they sponsored us too.
Hella, been around forever, right?
Oh yeah. Falken Tires sponsored us too. Fox BDS sponsored us. So it still has front leaf springs on the front. That little
this is the stock 20.
Yes, stock 20. It doesn't have a spool or anything, so it's just open diff. The back does have a limited slip differential. The body is 59, chassis is a 53. 53 is actually the military one, so I believe it's the
M38.
The M38.
Right.
Yeah. The transfer case is a Dana 300 with an adapter on it, and it actually has a 1960 Monzi 4-speed with the low granny gear.
So clean. It's so cool. Woo. I'd be afraid to take it out on the trail. At least for now. And your exhaust system?
And our exhaust, it was a partnership with Gibson. They actually went and did their research on it to fit this body. So hopefully in the near future, maybe this might be available for the Jeepers.
Wow.
But this is a beautiful setup.
I'm going to have to look up that tank for my CJ7. So that's from
Tanks
Inc.
Yeah, this is everyone that went in.
And working with Painless, they've been around forever.
Yeah, Hotwire made everything possible too with the wiring, retro belt to keep everything original.
Nice. And checking out the seats here. Fuel tank still underneath the seat.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got the toolbox on the other side.
Yep, still keeping everything original.
And obviously the instrument panel. You guys custom made that.
It's Dakota Digital that helped us out with this.
Get my finger out of the way.
And Retro Sound has Retro Sound stereo. It has a Bestop bikini top on it.
Yep, gotta love Bestop. Another one, been around forever. Another rack of lights up here. I'm kind of need those old happy face yellow ones from the 70s though. Right?
Oh yeah, but they're hard to source.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, we're trying to go and get some pairs, or even just draw something on it. But yeah, this is our.
So let's move around the back here again. Tailgate, Willys on the back, and the seats. Where did the seats come from?
They're actually original, redone. They're actually more comfortable if you want to test them out.
Yeah, I know. I'm admiring it and thinking, whoa.
Man,
I need to have mine done. It's all cracked and.
Yeah, and also the inside is rhino lined, so this is matched, so it's actually rough.
You said this is rhino line?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So everything's
Nice.
just, just simple. Just keep it simple. It's gonna get dirty, and might as well keep it simple to clean.
Just so cool. All right.
And all the electronics is tucked underneath.
Yeah, that's another project for me. I need to be calling Painless.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. This is our Desert Cat.
Well, this is awesome. I appreciate your time. Sergio, this is like super cool. I'm not actually sure. I'm just gonna say it's kind of a 50s
Man.
CJ.
Yeah,
With a 5.7
it's a 5.7.
out of a wrecker,
As a junkyard motor.
Junkyard motor.
Everything was pretty much.
And you guys make all the parts.
We make
like
everything.
this.
Yes. You can always call us, and
Yeah.
we can always get an idea, or we can always take an idea and we can make it happen. So.
So guys, these guys obviously are innovators, especially in the old Jeep world. So if you're looking for parts or want to throw out an idea, it's like, hey, this is something we might
we
be
can
able
make
to
it
do.
happen.
Sergio at CFR Performance. Give them a call. It's like, wow, this is so cool. Okay.
Beautiful.
So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks again for joining us. We'll see you on the next one.
Thank you.